Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are using Monkey Ace. I'm having not a great time with Monkey Ace. I have to get down Gwen doesn't to even pop anything. That's how expensive it is. How are we supposed to get Hezekiah Super Monkey Radon? How expensive are those both? Gwen doesn't has to be carried. Or we get something. Yeah, we are definitely. It's like you have to get a cash drop. You know, you have have to have a cash drop. You can't just not have a cash drop. Super Monkey slash Teddy Pirate. We are going to use a cash drop for it. So don't make me wrong, we are not going to make a cash drop. We are going to make a cash drop and we have time. And I don't feel like we can just fill this place up with monkeys. And we don't have to really worry about that camel. So that camel is so easy. Sorry guys, I just made it. Oh, exploding. Oh, we already have red camel going to that exploding pineapple. Does exploding pineapple get the effect though? Oh, if it doesn't, I have to get bomber ace. Oh, that's so bad. That's so bad. Are we going to? I'm actually going to save her for bottom path right now. It's going to be forever to get the money. So expensive. If I lose to that camel, don't think it's my fault. Super Monkey and head. Super Monkey and head. How many heads? How many 011 is the? How many 011 heady is the monkey am I going to get? I have 3. But I guess heady thing, but I think this person will sure get something. I think I need a Come on, this is going to take forever. I wish it was better. Yeah, I'm just trying to do the center path. I feel like I'm going to lose because we don't have camel. That camel, please, that's it's going to be in 5th. We are going to have time for it, but not really lots of time. Like not a lot of time. We don't have a lot of time. Definitely not a lot of time before that start popping up, and that's going to be a traumatized too. Definitely, that's going to be a traumatized. I want to just see what does the icon of never miss targeting? Never miss targeting. Look, it's like teeth. That's what. Wait, guys. I'm back. Doesn't it? I think we can pop the reds for now at least. If Gwen doesn't, I forgot even Gwen doesn't hit reds. Come on! This is going going to be a traumatized if I can get a never miss target thing. Never miss target. No, I need Spectre. Can we get Spectre? It's 19,000. When are we going to get red camel detection? Are we even going to get it? If I don't have red camel, this is going to be so annoying. This monkey only should back the stuff. I think saving app is not a great idea. Thinking of how long it will take. Going to take a while to actually get the money. I just hope that we don't have to actually spend money to just play the thing tutu and then sell this. Get the never miss target thing and it will actually help. Don't tell me we have to do that. Come on. 9,000 more. Jesus. This is going to be so annoying. How long are we going to wait, by the way? It's 7 o'clock. I normally post on this time. If we are from like the, I will say the right side on the world, then you should know that the right side of the world is 12 hours different than the left side of the world. Every country has a different year, different time. Wait, actually, I think different year is actually true. I think the lowest year is actually North Korea. I think North Korea counts by Kim Jong-un, the president's age. I think that's why. By the way, fun fact. If you play on Impossible, just let you know, every round is changed to a different thing. Every round is a different thing. If you search on Google, probably you get the wrong answers. Just telling you, it will shoot the wrong things out. You have more reps before round 40. Be a beast before round 40. A more rep rush around round 45. Yeah, I'm just telling our actual facts right now. Fun fact! Did you like and subscribe? If you did, then you kiss, then you love your mom. If you don't, then you hate your mom. I think I'm making like more random facts. But we are going this also Spectre. We have to have some Spectres in running. Come on. You just need a little bit XP. If I were to play on Impossible, I'm going to be so angry. By the way, Impossible is immediately sending rounds, even if you haven't finished the rounds. That's how brutal Impossible is. Even if you haven't finished a round, it still continues. By the way, have cash on moon landing. What do? Get a motherfucker. Get an Alcabas. Get an Omen. Omen can see to us. Everything. Unless your game is not updated to the time when Omen was actually revealed as can see to us. I think, yeah. I like just the bomb and the darts. They look so funny. Yeah, it looks so funny right now. Looks so funny right now. That looks so funny. Why do I feel like the dots are mini bombs? Why do I feel like the monkey is dots are actually mini bombs? They are like a small tiny bomb. We can get Spectre in a while, and yeah, we got the Spectre. Now we won't have to worry about next round. By the way, our center paths must be centered right in the middle. What do I want to get? I feel like this is a good choice, huh? What do you think? So whenever we get flying fortress, someone is going to go bye-bye soon. You should respect that this is at least helping me. You should respect, because when you respect it, when I sell it, it's too late. It's dead. By the way, why is Marshall up here? It's that smart that should drop. Oh, center path. Center path could be good and all about. Someone knows that that top path is just so nice to have. How many dots are we going to shoot? You Christ, you have 16 dots per volley. I don't even know what the volley is, but it is every time you shoot the dots out. Jesus, how many dots are you going to shoot? If we just sell this right now, we got that way. I think we want to sell this for Flying Fortress. No, we want this sell. Have to get meter path. Yeah, meter path. We have to get meter path over here. Have to really get our stuff working. 1 million. I'm not going to get there. Ground zero. If I ever have lag and I have a ground zero, it's called the ultimate helper for clearing out the full map, stopping the lag. It's literally the helper. The bomba, bomba, bomba. Mostly the high tier upgrade is you guys to see. But the low tier upgrade is for me and me only to see. Like me and me only. Me and my mom has actually played Cubism together, and it wasn't right. On the same phone, on the same phone. On the same phone is insane. One day I just want to play 2 phones. Why like my old phone is the money maker and my new phone is the defender? That'll be fun. Like, it would be fun if my mom was the money maker. If you want to see my mom be on this YouTube channel, like, subscribe. Just like, subscribe. It's not bad. It's not a bad thing. By the way, I'm waiting for Star Bomba and oh my. The ceramics are trying to kill me to my death. Probably I think we should sell one of these. Like selling a Spectre though, that would be so bad, bro. And we get both of these. Just too much stuff to think about. Just too much stuff to think about. Too much stuff. I'm like, too much stuff to think about, not too much stuff. No, just too much stuff. And then I literally use a money boost. And then It's way much slow. I forgot. Run it way much faster. I know how to make you way much faster. That was the worst thing I ever done. But this is going to slow them down. And then we can go faster and faster and faster. I don't want this. I want the one that the brothers feel wish they never had came out. How many dots are you going to shoot per body? My operation that storm. How many dots are you going to? How many dots are you also going to like shoot out? Please tell me when you upgrade to Sky Shredder, how many dots do you shoot out? You shoot 16. If you shoot like 35, I'm going to be asking your mom for why I use like this. I wish we could use banana farm. Banana farm is for back that we in the village and then beside one of the worst towers is going to be alone. Wait, Sylvia. Oh my God! How fast are you shooting? It's not about how many per bodies. It's about how many dots are you shooting. Jesus! You are the most man in the world. Oh, I can use Gwendolyn. I just realized. Why do I still equip Gwendolyn, huh? Well, you can say that she does a little bit. Respect that, Striker Jones, okay? You would have done the same best. Would have done the same amount. You won't change the difference at all. Yeah, definitely. Come on the tree, the tree. Monkey aces, the tree, monkey aces, it's just a tree, monkey aces, it's climbing the tree, hey! I think I went crazy. I don't do this with you guys. You see, this is not so bad. Mama, is the bomber effect going to actually happen? No build takes long. I wish we can use submarine so the this will go way much faster. What about this? Helipayer can have submarine. Helipayer can have submarine. That would be fun. See monkeys up here. Monkeys up here. What are we going to do? The Bamba. Life budget is 72,000! I need some money. I really need some money. I just want to find a look at some money. Let's wait until a big rush comes up. Okay, nothing to worry about until here, yeah. Come on. Come on, quicker. We are at 72,000 of Flying Fortress. That's insane. Very insane. Just too insane. If you think about it, it's just too insane. Just too insane. too insane. After helicopter is 5 rounds of no money. If I can get a sun temper, but I can't use support towers at all. I don't get to get money. But the Alchemist can make money. The Alchemist every others can use money. We can make money. We can make money. We can make money. Reality? Wait, we are on 92. Jesus, I need to spend to get actually this far. Jesus, more brush. I hate you. Why do you have? Why was that? Excuse me. What was that? The OMG just stopped at the front of the door. Didn't want thing to come out, and after. Oh! DDT come out now. Get away! I don't want to do anything. DDT comes out. Jesus, come. What? Hello. Just getting flying fortress would be a nice day. We already have 44,000 XP on this monkey ace after I got this flying fortress upgrade. We want to wait until 95. 95 is the ultimate disaster. That's us with purple balloons, right? And then it comes for the DDT rush. DDT rush. Oh my god, this Spectre is so nice. When they get far enough. Look, all of them jump to me, but when Star Bomber just kills all of them, they jump into me of death. They jumped into the death themselves. Okay, this stuff is starting to annoy me. We want to get that out. Why still? Is there always two OMGs? In one, there's one OMG, the other one hides inside of the OMG, and then spawns out another OMG. Are we actually starting? Get up! I don't like this when father fight stuff come out. The father fight is the worst thing you can think of. Father fight is the worst thing you can think of. Oh, actually, the other OMG didn't get affected that much. 3? Wait, what? There was 3 OMGs? I thought there was only 2. Oh, now it's a swarm of bees. Jesus, get out of my way. Level 99. Are we going to? Oh, no, we are not dying to those DDTs. If we die, I'm going to be so. A BAD! What is this game? A BAD! I don't think so. Bomba will do a lot of stuff. I guess, yeah, it won't do a lot of stuff. But that's the okay, that's a bit. Oh, I sell the wrong thing. Cosmo, okay. Sell this, we got Flying Fortress. Oh, we beat the BAD. What record I've seen in my life? We beat the BAD? Oh my god. I actually didn't think Middle Path ability would be this effective, but it did. It helps so much. It helped along your way, it helped the speed and everything. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more of this and more, maybe we can get Helipilot to 100 over. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.